to make my Zobo, that's hibiscus tea, you will have the Zobo leaves. These are my hibiscus leaves, or however you want to call it. So you know, Zobo is very good. It's a very good antioxidant, and it has a very beautiful way of helping in regulation of the blood pressure, because it works very well in the cardiovascular system. And this is my mint leaf to give that very nice flavor to my hibiscus tea. This is pineapple, my fresh pineapple fruit. Pineapple is very good. It contains a lot of vitamins, and it's also very good for the heart and other conditions. It's good for flu because it has vitamin C, vitamin B, it has vitamin A, and it has ascorbic acid. And then this is my cloves. We have my honey here. The honey, we also know honey being a very good antioxidant, and it also has this antiseptic or antibiotic effect. So we have this garlic. This is my garlic. We all know garlic is very good for the cardiovascular system. It's also very good for the respiratory system. And we come here to my debino. The debino is very good and it's very wonderful when you're talking about regulation of the blood pressure. This is my special sweetener and my special flavor. I don't want to use any artificial sweetener, so I go for my honey and I go for my debino to make my Zobo to be very, very sweet and tasty. And we come here to our wonderful cucumber. We all know cucumber is very good and very special when it comes to antioxidants, and it also helps to fight infection and to fight free radicals in the body. So we're going to go up to the preparation of my Zobo hibiscus tea. Thank you. So I'm going to blend my pineapples. Then I'll blend it with my ginger. I've cleaned it and sliced it to pieces to aid blending. Okay, so then I'm going to also add my debino. This is my date to blend. I've washed my date, peeled it. So this is my date. So that is going to be my spice or my sweetener. Then afterwards, I'm going to sieve the juice out. So I'm going to add water. So I'm about to filter this my pineapple, ginger, and debino together so that I can bring out the juice to put in my Zobo tea. So I'm going to keep doing this. In fact, if you have a juice maker, it's better because it's just going to bring out the juice for you.